Step into Linwood Estates in the charming town of Lexington, where the quality living and the convenience of I-85 come together. This inviting community offers new homes that provide great value and modern features. Embrace one-level living and no more stairs. Your new home will have everything on one level. Choose from floor plans with 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Your owner's suite will be steps away from the kitchen and laundry room. The owner's bath includes a convenient walk-in shower with a seat. Building a new home has some great perks. Everything is new, and you get to choose the design features like cabinets, countertops, and flooring, so no need for costly renovations. Plus, every home we build is energy efficient, from your appliances, thermostat, and more, saving you money on your monthly bills. And guess what else you'll love about your new home? No more yard work. It's taken care of for you, adding curb appeal to every home and giving you more time to spend with family and friends. If you're worried about selling your current home or the process of building a new home, we've got a whole team of experts to help. From our in-house lender, your project manager building your home, and our industry-leading warranty, you're in good hands. You don't have to sacrifice convenience for your new home. Linwood Estates is in a great location just 7 minutes from downtown Lexington, 1 mile from I-85, and minutes from everyday conveniences like Walgreens, Walmart, Lowe's, and more. Plus, you can have peace of mind with healthcare options nearby like Atrium Health Wake Forest and the Salisbury VA Hospital. If you're looking to stay active, head to Lexington Golf Club or Saponia for a round of golf. High Rock Lake is a great option for fishing, boating, and more close to home. Or take a walk at the scenic Finch Park. If you're picturing your life here and want to know how to take advantage of the best possible price and to select your favorite home site, join the interest list. Our interest list will receive invites and information on floor plans, pricing, dates, and get to meet with a sales professional before the general public. More importantly, we will open exclusively to our interest list first before anyone else. So join the interest list today. Your future self will thank you.